Okay, so the last thing that we're going to talk about here is what we call a noble gas configuration. Um, on all these, you want a PT, a periodic table, but on this one especially, you're going to want it. This is kind of a shorthand. It's kind of trickier to do conceptually, but once you get it down, it's a lot quicker. So like say you have something like cesium where it's 55 electrons. You'd have to do quite a bit of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. You have to build up quite a bit. So what all you do with the noble gas configuration is you get a PT, you put your finger on the element that you're trying to solve for, in this case CS. We're going to go up one and all the way to the right, because that final group 18 column is our noble gases, and that's why I call this a noble gas configuration. So in this case, that's going to be xenon Xe. And that's why we're going to put that in brackets. And we do that to say, okay, instead of writing everything like the 1s2, 2p6, we write this to represent all that, and then we're going to put whatever comes after that. And then we're just going to go back to our element, which is in row 6. So we're going to say 6. We always start with S, and it's in the first column, so 6s1. So we start off, find your element, we go up and over, we find xenon, put it in a bracket, go back to our original row, which is row 6. We start with S, and we go over. It's the first column, so we just say S1. So if we did another one like that, indium, In, we find it on the PT. We go up and over, which is krypton. We go back to the start of the original row, which is row 5. And we have to build up a little bit, all right? So we go 5s1 and 2. Then we'd have 4d, if we're just following our principle here, 5s to 4d, 4d, and we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then indium is the first one in 5p, so 5p1. Kind of tricky, but saves you a lot of writing once you kind of understand what you're doing. You just go up and over, write a noble gas in parentheses, and then just write everything that would come after that point.